house like a daughter of Zion.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to BeautyForeverHair for sponsoring this video. Let's see what we got. Let's see what's inside. Of course, you get a bag to store your wig. This is the wig cap, edge band, and now this is the wig. I think it's a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, and I think it's a body wave. Okay, 14 inches. I'm excited about this because I have the perfect hairstyle that I want to do. So the wig is pre-curled and there's color. You see that? I'm excited about this. So let's see. Oh, it's already in a side part. Listen, I said, you know what? I think I'm gonna do a side part. I saw this style that I really want to do, and it's already in a side part. So this is gonna be everything is pre-curl. You can use the tabs if you want to. I don't need to cut it. I love how lightweight it is, and there's a flip to it. Let's go and install this wig right now because it is ready for installation. Let me see inside. It's a drawstring, so you know it's can be glueless. You pull it down. You already know how the drawstring is. Once you pull it down, you tuck it under. Okay. And we have the ear-to-ear strap as well, which I love. I love that it has some more support with the comb inside, right? So let's go. It's pre-bleach, you see that? Let's go to install it. Let's go install this, okay? I'm ready. Okay guys, let's get into this install. I'm gonna put the cap on. I already pulled my hair back. You guys know I don't braid my hair. I keep saying that all the time. When I put the caps on, I make sure it pulls my hair back. Okay, especially now that we are doing a frontal, I want to make sure, because my hair on the side, they grow down. So make sure if you're doing it either glueless, glue, it doesn't matter, pull back your real hair. Okay, you have to pull back your hair because it's necessary. Now I'm gonna put some makeup on this, and then afterwards we're gonna get into install. Where's the thing? And it's on the side that I want it to be, so that's a good thing. Alright, so I'm considering doing over a part, but I think I like the part that it came with. It actually fits my face as well. I'm just trying to press this side down because I want it down, okay? Now the wig is on. We're gonna go in and highlight the part some more. I'm trying to make sure this part stays down because I'm actually gonna wear this part behind my ear. I'm gonna use a makeup to define the parting, but listen girls, we don't have to curl this. I am not adding no curls, okay? You see that? And we're not done. Let me just go ahead and do what I need to do. I don't have to curl it, and it's giving the curls that I want and I really like. So I love how they do this part, but we're gonna get into that. Let me just highlight this area. Really don't need to touch the parting. So once you get this wig, wear it in a side part first, okay? And then you can switch it up, because remember, you're gonna have your wig for some time. Now I'm gonna go in and just define the parting. There we go. Yes, that's more precise. So I kind of use the stick one where I don't have to go in with a brush. But let's see how this is gonna look. I need a big comb. Let's just brush this out, first impression, and see. Remember, it's a 14-inch. I don't have to curl it. I really don't. There we go. Yes. I didn't even go in with the drawstring as yet, so let me just pull that before we go any further. This is so nice, and it's very much lightweight, so it's gonna be super easy to manage. The curls are very soft. They're not too, you know, sometimes. All right, this is a drawstring. All you have to do, guys, is pull the drawstring. There's an attachment. You're gonna pull it down as well. I always show you guys how to do this. And then this, you're gonna tuck it under. Okay, so once that's tucked, you should have, let me tuck it under. You should have something looking like this. Now, this is even more snug, and I'm not gonna lie, this wig fit my head. So this one, it fits. I didn't have to do much. All right, you see that curl? We don't have to go in. This wig needs nothing more. Like, I'm just gonna finesse the curls and kind of curl it a little bit more, but I don't have to do anything. Now, if you want it down in your face, I love how they do the side part, but let's just keep doing that. I'm not doing anything else. When I tell you it don't need any oil, nothing. It is super soft, feels amazing, looks different. I really like it. So I think I wanna just kind of cut off right here a little bit shorter, you know, just to give it a custom look. All right, you see that lace? Yeah, no baby ear, no nothing. Okay, ladies, this is it. I'm in love, okay? Don't tell me nothing, because I'm in love. How cute is this? Beauty Forever, you guys did this, okay? All I have to do is just fix it, keep fixing it. And I really like how lightweight this wig is. It's the new jam. I'm wearing this all week, okay, girl? Look at that. It's not too much curls. The curls are not going anywhere, and I really like it. I really like the just that it's like a bob with just, you know, yeah, I like it. I like it. It's gonna be my wig for the week. Anyway, guys, what do you think? Because I really do like it. And we are heading out right now. I'm gonna get dressed. I will show you guys how I look with my outfit, but just take in this hair. I will have a link with a discount for you guys, so make sure you check the description because you need this, okay? It's beautiful. The color is not too much, it's given. So the link will be there. Thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Again, let's get into a little wine and dine, like, you know.
I've been trapped through the fire, I've been trapped through the rain, lost myself in the hurt, drowned.